Hey guys, I have a check engine on, and let's scan it with the Insight program and see what we got. Have adapter connected to the truck, and let's connect and see what we got here. So it's gonna take a while, the connection. Okay, I'm connected to the ECM of the engine, and let's scan it for faulty codes. Okay, it gives us this 3135 active fault, after-treatment diesel particular filter outlet pressure data erratic, intermittent or incorrect. There's another one. Let's try to erase them and see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's asking to turn the key off and press OK. Okay, now it's asking to turn the key on, back on, and press OK. Yeah, looks like one error is active. After treatment, one diesel particle filter outlet pressure sensor circuit, voltage above normal or shorted to high source. So now we know that we have a problem with outlet pressure sensor. Okay guys, I'm underneath the truck. So this is a front axle engine. This is the passenger side where the depth filter located, and the sensor is right here. So this is the outlet hose, this is the inlet hose, and then the wire connection. So in order to take this wire connection, there is a white pin that has to be pushed up, and then on the end right here you gotta squeeze it with 2 fingers, a little black tab, and just wiggle it, and this thing should come out. Just like that. And then there's a 2 bolts right here. I believe it's a 2 millimeter, 8 or 9 millimeters. And then there's 2 connectors, quick connectors here that has to come out. And this is a sensor. I already took it off. I'm gonna try to show you a part number. So this is how it looks like. The part number, new sensor. Okay guys, after installing new sensor, I can see already that my status is inactive. It was active, so now it's inactive. So that means that I think we got it. Sensor was a problem with the sensor. So now I'm just gonna erase, and that fault should go away. Okay, it's asking to turn the key on and to press OK. Alright, let's see if it's gonna erase. Okay, as you guys see, the error is gone. And now if I'm gonna scan for faulty codes, it's showing 0. So yeah, we got it fixed. Problem was with the sensor. Okay, I just start the engine, and yeah, no more check engine lights. So yeah, we got it fixed.